Guys, welcome back to a new vlog. I hope you're doing really well. I don't know, I need to cut this thing off. If you're first time tuning into my video, my name is Nikki. I'm a mother of 3. I'm also a wife. I really enjoy doing the content, so please guys, comment, share and like my video. Yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really appreciate everyone that is watching my videos. Thank you guys for your support. So guys, let's get into this vlog today. So I'm going to drop my kids. This is 8:41. My son starts school. My other kids, they're gone to school now. So I need to drop off my other son. He don't start school till like 9:30. So I just finished having my shower now. Just trying to see if I can lay this wig, or I should just put my hairband on, to be honest. I don't think I have time to be laying anything, to be honest, because sometimes this laying wig thing, you have to be in the mood, to be honest. For me though, I have to be in the mood, because if I'm not in the mood, I will just be messing around, just wasting my time, because if I have to force myself to lay the wig, it might not even come out nice. So but anyway, first of all, let me just clean my face. So I like to use this after having the shower. This ordinary glycerin. Yeah, it's helping my skin to glow, and it's good for it's actually good for my skin really, so I like to use that. So after I finish bathing and all that, I just like to use it to clean up the little dirty, or not the little, thing on my face, and then I will use a cream. Yeah. Because my face is not really dry that much, so it's not really the cream is not staying properly. I was supposed to dry my face before applying this, but I forgot. This is the thing about me, guys. If I've not had my tea in the morning or my hot drink in the morning, I don't feel, I can't really concentrate. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this to dry, and then I'll apply another cream that I normally put in my face. I'm gonna use this hairband. Yeah, I'm using very well today. And I'm going to use this to just define my coils. This wig is from Morpheus, guys. It's so nice. It's really I got this for like what, £90, 20 inches, and it's really good. Because I'm a wig influencer on TikTok, sometimes I do buy wig, but sometimes I don't. Yeah, sometimes you just feel like, you know what, instead of me getting for free, let me just buy it. To be honest, sometimes I do, but sometimes I don't. But I think this one, I can't remember, but I think this one, I actually bought this for my own money, I think. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's a really nice, if you're looking for really nice, affordable curly wig, I would say go for Morface. Yeah, guys, I struggle to pronounce some words. I think when I was young, I'll probably have like a speech delay, because sometimes, oh my god, I struggled. And sometimes, oh my god, I'll just be going when sometimes it's like, oh god, I can't be bothered I'll start looking for the right words to use. I don't know if it's just me, but it's a part of life. We're not perfect, aren't we? What I was gonna say. So yeah, so Like I said, if you're looking for really nice curly wig and affordable, Morpheus, yeah, Morphece. I would say go for Morpheus on TikTok. Their wig is really, that curly hair is really, really nice, really nice and affordable. Like I said, look at this one. Most of my curly hair is from them because I've worked with them before. Yeah, so this is 20 inches and it's so nice for 20 inches. It's really nice wig. Sometimes when you're a wig influencer, some people just sell their wigs after. For me, I don't. I just keep it. To be honest, I just keep it because like wig never get expired. Have you guys ever seen a wig that got expired? No, wig never got expired. So I can go back to it and put it on. And I'm thinking, that's my wig. That's mine. Yeah, but when you have quite a lot, like a lot, yeah, you can sell it. I get that. But for me, most of my wig, because I've been doing, I mean, to be honest, guys, I've been doing hair for decades. So I always have hair in my house. So once in a year, I always like try and throw some wig that I don't really like, you know, try and throw it away. Before I used to like to give it to people sometimes, but to be honest, the city I'm in, I don't want to give anybody anything, to be honest, because I've learned my lesson. I've learned my lesson. So I gotta give it to charity. If charity can take wig, I will give it to them. Yeah, if charity can take a wig, I will give it to them. Most of my clothes, my shoes, I give it to charity. Based on my experience, I've given them to charity, and I know what I'm saying. Right, guys, I'm using my lip oil. This lip oil is finished, and I'm trying to get one on TikTok, but I'm a bit worried that it might not be the same. I tried to look for the name of it on TikTok, but they're not. I actually got it on TikTok, but I can't find the brand anymore on TikTok. I just like the way it looks. Like, it doesn't stick. It's just lip oil. You know when I say lip oil? It's lip oil. Yeah, guys, look at this hair. How lovely. I told you, this hair is so nice. Yeah, like I said, I just decided to put my hairband. I can't be asked to be playing any wig at this point. No. This is where I'm going. Hopefully they have what I want. I think I might end up going to Dreams. I'm not sure. Okay guys, I just came back home. I'm really tired. It's hard work, you know, shopping. Anyway, let me show you guys. Let me do a bit of unboxing, show you guys what I got. So this is the bookshelf I got from, if you guys remember, I was showing you guys in the shop, in the range shop. So and it comes with a 3 buckets, which is 3 drawers, which is really good. This is the drawers. So I hope you guys can see. Yeah, so I'm going to be showing you guys, because I was trying to sort out the boys' room. I really don't like the way their room looks like anymore. I kind of had enough with it now, so I was thinking I'm going to change it. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you. So I'm going to show you guys what else I got from range. Let me show you guys what else I got. I've shown you guys the bookshelf, so let me show you the other things I got. I'm going to start from here. The first thing I'm going to show you is this. I really like this thing. This is my 3rd time buying this for my son. Somehow he ended up biting this white bit. He will bite it and chew it, and before the whole thing got spoiled. This is the 3rd one now. I literally need to keep my eyes on him, because the way I buy toys in this house, but obviously he's autistic. I understand things gonna get spoiled, but sometimes it can be very challenging. So I got this for him again. By the way, he's 9 years old, but obviously because he's autistic, most of the toys we have to get him, you have to be something century or below his age, if that makes sense. But if you have autism kids or whatever, you literally understand where I'm coming from. So this is the 3rd time I'm getting this. And he loved it, but he ended up spoiling it. But like I said, I have to keep my eyes on him not to spoil this one again. Like I said, this is the 3rd time, and that's it for this one. And end up getting these ride-on dinosaurs, and I hope he will like this. This is quite really heavy, and I think this is his age size. So it's just like you riding on the dinosaurs, basically. It's a century toy, and I think he's gonna love this as well. Hopefully he doesn't bite it, and because it's like I think you have to pump it. So I think you have to pump it, so hopefully he's not going to bite it and end up spoiling it. And that one, and that's it for that one. And I got this one. This one is a step century toy. Like I said, even though it said 18-month plus, but obviously when you have the autistic kids, you have to buy something like way below. So this is like a step where I've got something like this, but the one I got is really flat. It's not bumpy like this one. So when I saw this one, I was like, no, he's gonna love this. So I got this for him. So just for him just to step on, just a step. So I was like, he's gonna love this. So I got this for him. Now, let me show you guys what I got. Because like I said, I want to decorate my room as well. I want to decorate the boys' room. I want to decorate my daughter's room as well. And I want to decorate my own room as well. You guys know when summer is about to come to UK, when you're about to hit that summer, when you already know that it's about to be summer, you start figuring out what to do, what to change in your house, if it's your garden, if it's this, if it's that. If you live in UK, you know that kind of mood. That's the mood I am in now. But then again, you still have to be very careful, because before you realize, all your money will just finish. And then, if you guys remember when I was talking about, I spoke to Dollar to show me how to decorate my room. So I got a bit of idea from Dollar. So I got this frame and I really love it. I think this is gonna be really nice. I'm a kind of person that like natural thing. I don't like too artificial thing. I don't like something that's too wow. I like something cool and look very presentable and stylish at the same time. So I got this, which is so nice. I just love the frame. I was gonna get something like this on, what's it called? I was gonna get something like this on Shein, but they're only selling the picture. You have to buy the frame separately. And I was like, no, I'm just gonna go to range and get it. And it's so nice. I just love the print. I just think the picture is just very unique. Just who doesn't like, well, I don't really like flowers, but this rose or flower, I don't know if it's rose or flower, but it's really nice and I really love it. Then also got a lamp. This is part of what Dollar told me to. This is part of the design that Dollar lamp is there, so I got the lamp. And it's very cheap as well. Then I got this scent as well. Then I got this basket. But when I end up getting this basket, I realized that, oh my God, it's a bit too big for what I'm thinking of. But I've already bought it. And the one thing about me, to return things is the effort. I find it very strange to return things. Because to be honest, I feel like returning this, to be honest, because I think it's going to be too big. And I got 2, and that's it for that one. And the next thing, I got the boys the bed sheet. And then again, my son always ripping clothes. They say it's part of autism. He rip clothes a lot.
So most of his bed sheets, he's always ripping it. He just rip it and turn it to a string and play with it. Even though I've bought him a lot of Century. So as I was saying, so it's ripping what he does. So I got him quite a lot of Century Chewy, but I bought one couple of weeks ago. He ended up chewing it, and the whole chewy thing just turned to a nightmare. Like, I have to keep buying the same thing consistently because that's the thing that keep him, like I said, like Century toys. So he will chew it and the thing gets spoiled, and then he end up whipping his clothes and turning to a string and start playing with it. So he's doing that with his clothes and he's doing that with the bed sheet and duvet cover. So I had to go and buy another one. So I used the opportunity to get my daughter some bed sheets as well. I got her some duvet cover and another bed sheet for the boys. And then I got this for my daughter's room where she can actually put most of her toys, her teddy bear, even though she doesn't really have that much teddy bear because that girl. But anyway, I got 2 of these and I think this is so cute. I got 2. And that's it really. And that's all I got from the range. Yeah, so I'm going to be showing you guys, maybe that will be another video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to decorate. I don't know if I should do my room first or the boys' room, but whatever it is, I'm going to be showing you guys the decoration. Maybe I'll probably show you guys after I finish doing the decoration because I don't know how to film myself when I'm doing it. Anyway, so that's all I got from range.